Alright, greetings traders. Today is 1st of December 2020. Live day trading for WTI Crude Oil Market NYMEX futures contract January 2021, and for the Nasdaq 100 December contract 2020, and mini S&P as well for December contract 2020. So in this video I'll show you how I do day trading for US session at the beginning of the market opening. So for now there's a possibility of entry for crude oil, which is at 44.93. I'm standing by to send out the signal from my live telegram channel. Alright, so I'm getting ready to send my signal any moment from now, maybe in the next 3 minutes time. So let's wait patiently. And if you go back to the chart, yep, that's quite clear. There's a possible entry at 44.93 and a targeted TP at 44.72. When this possible to take the profit, should be the profit around 21 ticks. So let's wait and see. By the way, today's date is just to make sure that we correct. Yep, 1st of December 2020. Alright, let's wait for another 3 more minutes to confirm that there will be entry for the short sell position. Alright traders, it is a confirmed signal. So based from my live telegram channel, I already sent out the signal a moment ago to short sell the market at 44.93 and targeted TP at 44.72 with the stop losses at 45.24. So let's wait and see whether this order will be filled and trigger to the downside price movement. So we're going to go for the smaller time frame to see whether this will be a good pattern for us to short sell the market. Alright, so have placed all the necessary level, which is to go short at 44.93 and targeted TP, which is at this level of 44.72. So let's wait and see any moment from now, maybe in the next 5 minutes, 10 minutes, the market might fill our entry. So let's wait and see. Let's go back to the volume. So there's a large volume waiting as well at 44.98 and large volume at 44.80, which is the breakthrough to the lowest today. Alright, so there's a difference of 16 ticks at this moment. So let's wait for the order to be filled, then we will resume our recording. The market seems bearish since the pre-US session. So now we just need a confirmation. Once the order filled, then we are going to for the short sell position. Alright traders, we did receive another signal to short sell the market for crude oil, and this is the revised signal. As you can see, I have revised to short sell at 44.97 and target TP at 44.77 with a lesser risk, which is about 19 ticks compared to previously about 31 ticks. So this looks a better entry. Alright, so we are waiting for the order to be triggered any moment from now. And also S&P mini 500 already kick in just now, a few seconds ago, 1 minute ago. So hopefully we can have a early entry as well for mini S&P. Okay, I have placed all the orders, so I need to put at 77. So just nice for 20 ticks price of movement of the profit. And let's take a look as well for the mini S&P. Okay, so we are using time frame 10 minutes, and this is the first candle at the beginning of a US session. So it seems like market from the London session tried to make a bullish movement and create a new high, and now we're expecting a pullback. Maybe late night today there will be a good entry for yes. I think I'm supposed to. Okay, we already in the market for 96. There's a slippage, so let's wait and see. And let's put the stop loss at 16 over here. So okay, doesn't look good. Order fill and now move to the negative territory. Okay, I'm targeting for the yes, so we pause for a while. Searching for the entry for the yes. Alright, suddenly the price did drop and we have entered the second lot position size. So profit now at this moment is 180. We have a 2 lot position size and market seems very volatile at this moment. Looks good, so there's a high volume waiting at 44.80, which is the breakthrough of today's low, and 90 at queuing, and I have another position to exit at 44.77. So the average price I did enter the market is 95. So let's say, so this could be easily $300 in profit can achieve on this one. Hopefully the price remain bearish. So let's wait and wait. Hopefully the price this trade will end quickly. So there's also entry for the S&P 500. Still wait. Okay, there will be no entry. The volume is still too large as based from this one. And Nasdaq 100 futures contract December 2020. Oh, okay, this is more huge. So the market seems pretty much volatile, and we cannot enter the market easily. So let's go to the smaller time frame to see any interesting price movement. Okay, so we can see, alright, there's a high volume over here. Alright guys, we already in for Nasdaq 100. Okay, we already in for Nasdaq 100. There's a short sell entry, and the stop loss we can put somewhere over here, which is the fail structure. We are risking about $400 on this one. And for the crude oil, now at the negative side. So just now the best we have get is 180. Supposed to exit at that moment, so we have overall losses at this moment. So let's wait patiently. So we have include all the stop losses for both market. Okay, doesn't look good for crude oil. Okay, it's too strong. And also for Nasdaq, there's a too strong pullback. I should have wait. In case the price reverse, then I can develop the position. So this is based from time frame 3 minutes for Nasdaq, because market seems pretty much volatile at this moment. We are risking about 400. So I'm taking the reversal if the market try to reverse back to the higher side. That's how we're going to do it. It's too strong that we did enter the market on the bullish entry. There's losses at this moment of 415. So I'm still hoping for the crude oil to reduce a bit. Still large volume waiting at 44.80, which is at the lowest low. Okay, now we are back in the positive for the Nasdaq. I need to check for the mini S&P. So there's no entry for mini S&P. Okay, for now, hope that we manage to make a comeback for Nasdaq, and targeted TP should be the break even. Okay, doesn't look good. Okay, that's too strong. I need to exit for the crude oil as a losses. Okay, 140. It was a bad day today. Doesn't look good. I had to force the losses for not exceeding the daily target, and now still hoping for the market to go for the bullish for Nasdaq, and hopefully I can do a recovery, and hopefully the price can break through to the higher side and make a full recovery of the today losses. Alright, a good recovery for Nasdaq 100. So now we are in the positive territory with 125. It's not much to do the balance for the losses we have just now, which is 415. Let's hope the price remain on the higher side, or we can exit first, then entry one more time. Okay, exit first just to reduce. Okay, good, and then we can re-enter again on the crude oil. Alright, at 93. With the same stop losses at 16, should be safe at this moment. Okay, let's hope the price will not reverse back. Okay, there's a high chance for the bearish movement for now. For crude oil, already exit for Nasdaq. There's uncertainty for mini S&P. I will go for the bearish for mini S&P. So that's mean for Nasdaq, we are waiting for the bullish entry any moment from now. I should take a look how much the value here for now. Increasing. Alright, so such a waste. If I'm holding my position, then I managed to get a better for Nasdaq, perhaps a full recovery, but it's okay. Okay, there's a possibility of short sell position for mini S&P, and for okay, there's a strong bullish, so that means there's a high tendency for the selling of Nasdaq at 69, then I need to queue at 69. It's too strong, then I will not hold much. So if we measure on the Fibonacci level, should okay, there's a strong bullish for mini S&P. $56.50. Okay, so now we are waiting for the possible of bearish on the Nasdaq 100 futures contract. For CL, we still stuck with the short sell position, but haven't moved much. The market create a bullish candle, quite a dodgy, so there's a still chance for us to short sell the market. I still strongly believe that the market will go for we missed for the Nasdaq the whole cake 87 with our previous entry at 65.20, so we should cover all the losses on the first trade. Alright, so this is how Nasdaq move. Okay, looks nice for crude oil. Price start to move. We can add more position for crude oil. Looks stable. Okay, we in the position for 2 lot position size crude oil, and targeted TP should be good enough for us here. Everything has been placed nicely. Just wait for the blow down to the downside. Expected to have 1836 $360 in profit for crude oil. So let's go back to the mini S&P. Oh, this doesn't look good. Alright, we need to ready to short the market for mini S&P. So I will pause for a while and resume later on. Alright, traders, resume back again. So far looks good. We did manage to make some recovery and hit the TP for crude oil, $220 in profit. So for S&P, we have a new signal to go long at 65. Yeah, about this level TP should be oh, something's wrong with my signal. Should be 70. Okay. So the almost fill for mini S&P. Targeted TP is at 70. Sell here. So for crude oil, we did manage to exit. Okay, I think I have made some mistake over here. A bit chaos because of the Nasdaq just now. Got problem. Should be 3670.25. Alright, so let's go back to the chart. We already in the market, or there's a slippage at 66, so hopefully the price will remain on the higher side. For crude oil, let's take a look. It's a profit, so I need to send out the signal. Yeah, the signal is live, only the TP sometime a bit late. hit TP. Oh yeah, it was a good one. Need to have a little bit of patience. So 20 ticks in profit. So let's focus on the mini S&P at this moment. Alright, so let's take a look on S&P. Okay, we have a good profit of S&P. Order fill already. Alright, so highs just now is 68 3 points, so I didn't close my position. So such a waste, such a waste, such a waste, such a waste. So there's a multiple signal or multiple message came in. Alright, things have been cooled down for a while, and just to mention, there's a pre-matched exit for my losses here. Shouldn't be a losses because we are on the short sell position, and at least we did manage to exit nicely with a good profit of 220 US dollar for the crude oil. And suppose the first trade we need to be patient, but I did exit because of my Nasdaq have a losses. So for Nasdaq we still have a minus of 195. For mini S&P futures contract 150. We have exit early, although there's signal to go long until 70.25, so the market did hit this level. We have a full profit of 250, but didn't wait until that price level, so I did exit early, but it's okay. Still a profit for this mini S&P. So now I'm focusing on Nasdaq to make it balance back to regain on the positive territory. So we are on the reversal of the market. Need to put a stop loss just in case if the price try to fuck me up again. Doesn't look good at this moment. Just to be cautious. I still hope for it to go for the bearish pullback hopefully. So it seems like the market is very volatile, and there's a goes for the ES. There's the push to the highest side. I think I've made some losses. Shit. There's a losses on the Nasdaq 100. Alright, it's too strong. Okay, both market are going for a bearish movement. Okay, that looks good. That looks good. I'm still at losses. Overall losses today is 106 because 2 trade already profit, so I need to have a cigarette first and come back later on. I was still using the same price level to short sell the market for the pullback. So let's wait and see. Hopefully things will give us another hope. Oh, it's a very fast price drop over here. So let's take a look on the mini S&P. Okay, keep climbing up. We already exit our position, so it was a quick one, so I'm glad on it, even though I did exit early, but I'm really glad that I did exit. So let's take a look for the crude oil. Hopefully all orders have exit, so there's a buy stop limit here. Okay, so for Nasdaq, I have to think for a good entry to do a recovery. Perhaps to take have a cigarette break for a while. Okay, it's kind of stressful at this moment. Alright, that's the end. We did manage to cover for the Nasdaq 100 futures contract. So now we have back for positive 220 dollar US, and we have all three with the winning trade at the end of it. 150 for mini S&P with one trade. Suppose the total profit should be around 250, but I did exit early, and also there's a lot of trade for Nasdaq because there's a big clumsy entry. And for crude oil, we did manage as well to have a good profit. Unfortunately, two trades we are exiting early. I'm not supposed to exit it because it didn't hit the stop loss. Okay, so all this signal you may get it from my live Telegram channel. And yeah, for example, for ES, we did send one signal per day per US session, and as well for the crude oil, and both hit profit for today. So you just follow the link in my Facebook page or in the YouTube channel in the description below, or in the description area. Alright guys, I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Oh, before I end my video, so let's take a look on the performance for today. So we have a gross PNL of 590, and the net is 530 after deduction of the fees and commission. So it was not a good it was not a good, this is the gross profit of 590 and net is 530. So it was not a good overall result because we did manage only 62% of the winning trade. And there's a tabulation here with the history. There's a large losses, especially from the Nasdaq 100 and Q with a 2 lot position size, so it's too risky at this. For this one, I think 2 lot if I'm not mistaken. So in overall we have 16 trades, so it's such a waste. Supposed to be one trade per market. Crude oil, we did manage to have it, but I did exit early. So yeah, there's a high profit, but there's also high losses. It was not a good example, but we end today with the positive with 530 US dollar. I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and see you guys tomorrow. Thank you. Bye bye.